The Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People Fkjgp North Khasi Hills District Unit conducted a spot visit on Monday following information that government land owned by Meghalaya Mineral Development Corporation Limited MMDCL in Mawsmai village, Riboy district is reportedly slated for the proposed construction site of a petrol pump and private resort. During the inspection, the Fkjgp found evidence of land development for the alleged constructions, with the necessary no objection certificate NOC obtained from the local headman of Mawsmai village. Fkjgp President Louis Star Lingdor urged the government to reconsider its approach, suggesting that such government land should be earmarked for the construction of educational institutions or guest houses.
The government haba kaay haba nakaleng tong government haba unang basnong ulaong ba ni aya ka NOC bande ko pambat ka resort the balay government kamla ban ay kita jela ibadai kita ni kita jaka ibala bande kita di kita petrol pump dan di resort namar tubun kasih guni ibala ban invest kum kita di business.
The Meghalaya